Hello, world.
Say hi, everyone. That's not what I meant.
Okay, Madeline, get in front. You're leading us back.
Seriously?
Yep.
Okay.
I wasn't lying. I told you.
Don't do that. I'm videotaping. Don't. I don't want to drop my camera again.
No.
This is it. It is. It just doesn't have the purple and pink flowers showing yet.
I got poked by a cactus.
At least you didn't fall on a cactus. That hurt. It's a pretty flower.
Let me know when you want me to take over.
You can take over right now.
I can.
Why are you destroying nature, Coach?
I already married Colton.
Yeah.
I know. I saw the pictures. I guess I married you twice, because then I was Rebecca.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe now we'll remember a past since I videotaped me it next year. Yes, I videotaped you once because you're so pretty.
I just woke up. I didn't do anything to my... Aw, thank you. You're even my hair today.
It's still curly. What are you talking about?
I'm behind the
Whoa.
camera.
I know, it's her videotaping behind me.
So, okay, yeah, you do that.
Hi, Sydney.
This is me.
Says the flowers are pretty. This is Sydney.
Yes, this is Sydney. Walking on the trail with a whole bunch of lunatics.
Because we're babysitting.
Yeah, we're
Unfortunately.
babysitting.
We're supposed to... Aww.
Did we give it to you?
Yeah.
Don't fall.
Dogs have no traction whatsoever.
That's why I put on running shoes.
Oh, you're getting some pussy.
I love you.
Mine is so fast and you have no trick. When
Aw,
you fall,
thank you.
I'm going to catch you, okay?
Can I film?
So what? Oh, yes.
Film? Can I film? As long as you don't put me in it, I'm good.
Oh, why not?
Too bad I put you in it anyway. You're walking in front of me.
Sure.
Yes. I'm putting it on mute as soon as I get home. I'm also going to videotape this meeting. And I can't find it.
I do. I know where to go.
Go that way. No, don't go that way. We passed that trail.
Currently, right now, my friends are obviously lost.
Yes, and I am panicking.
Shut up, Sydney.
Well, you just asked me. I know the way.
I am panicking.
You're going the right way.
If Madeline loses me, I'm suing her.
You, Sydney.
As soon as I get out of here.
Really? Do happy people are not good people.
This is all so, beautiful.
What do we want on a nature walk in body?
Don't forget to videotape nature.
I am.
I'm just a
Jesus.
God.
It's not my responsibility.
She's trying to get herself killed.
Yeah. Look at the flowers. Pretty flower.
She gave me some too.
Aw.
Hey, wait, don't give her enough too.
Oh my crap.
Yell at her.
Bree, you're in charge now. Bree's in charge.
Oh, Duncan and Jenny ran off together. Young love. It's so cute. Duncan,
Ow, my ankle.
all of dirt on my pants. Do you close the video camera? I'm good.
Yeah.
Hey, can I see your camera?
Yeah. So pretty.
I was going to do. I was going to videotape everything.
What is he doing?
Is it still videotaping?
Yeah.
Oh.
Get out.
No, I want to do what?
Get out, Colton.
Me and Madeline are going to walk through the woods and film everything. Okay.
Bye. Okay.
You guys can.
Go can go out. Go can, how do you get out?
I tripped on a roof.
Come on, Madeline.
I like videotaping the top
Okay,
pictures.
I'm
It's
running
really
into the
pretty.
soft dirt. This is why we should have left breadcrumbs. Like,
This is our youth group nature walk.
Yeah, it makes it official as you now.
That's why them
I know! I like announcing things. It's official, like Facebook. Facebook is official.
They're back.
Seth, you are now in my video. Yes. Yes, you will.
Oh, come on.
Oh my gosh, Madeline.
Hello, YouTube viewers.
Oh my gosh, Madeline, get a view of that. That is pretty.
What? Sun?
Over there, like up in the canopy tree.
I know, it's really pretty. Well, everything's so pretty down here.
Yeah. Big bicycle.
You could have done a hole there.
You should have videotaped that.
I would have blasted. Sorry, Madeline. That's something I would have blasted.
Everyone laughs at me. It's not fair.
Okay, everybody laugh.
No, I fell. I fell down a hole.
Look at him. There she is.
My friend
Genevieve, you better tell Dad where you're going.
My friend Madeline, she just fell down a hole. That's why the camera looks so sad.
You don't have to tell them.
No, I want to get back ASAP.
We need something really scary to happen to us. Wait, we're going to the parade?
You don't want to?
We went there last year.
But I want to go have root beer.
True. They have really good.
They have really, really good root beer. We're in Watonga. We're going to the Watonga Cheese Festival.
Wait, where? Which way now? We just walked up this way.
Yeah, I guess so. That's
No, I
where-
think we went a little more down there. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
We're not.
Oh, I hate it when that happens.
Everybody stump.
We're following the leader, the leader, the leader. Following the leader wherever he may go.
Stop singing.
The leader. What?
Why don't we just walk this way before? That was
Because
not
it's
there before.
It's not. Oh my gosh, Bree.
go free, you liar.
Sorry.
I'm not losing, I'm just losing the
Of course,
right
that is
to
a very
play
pretty
this
deal.
trail.
Seth's got a phone, and it's not fair because he's younger than me and he has a phone. Hi. Just let me tell you. Yeah. Wait, are you telling him something? No, let me see. Which one is it? I have a phone. I see you younger than her. You just missed me mad at me again, so. Just missed me tripping again. Okay, pay attention to mine.
Perfect. Yeah, I just.
Woo!
Oh my gosh, I'm so free. Good.
I don't want
Is your phone still in service? We're lost. Well, it works.
We're
but I
not
don't
lost,
think
we're
I
just
can
not
text my
there.
phone. They just told me that.
Can't get no network. Are you serious?
Oh my gosh. You have no
Oh my goodness, you guys are so addicted to your phones. Leave them alone. Leave your worldly possessions alone. You have my phone. I have got no phone.
I'm addicted to my phone, but that's, I left it so I could charge.
Right now, my friends are apparently lost and they're being totally complete morons. Jesus. This place is absolutely beautiful.
Are you serious? Look at the eyes.
Oh crap, this is gonna be a hard climb.
No, get. Awesome. But we have it on tape, so it's okay. Okay, come on. You can put the camera up. It's kind of hard to climb. Goodbye, YouTube viewers. Everyone say goodbye to the camera. Goodbye.
Can we get below it?
you all. Watch YouTube more often.